Hey, do you have 2 chicken breasts? Let's make this delicious dish. I'm going to get my 2 chicken breasts that are skinless and boneless, place them on a chopping board, and we want to cut through lengthwise through the center of the chicken breast. We do it with each of them, and then I'm going to actually pat dry the chicken breast with paper towel. You should do it before, but actually I forgot, so I'm doing it afterwards, and that's completely fine. I'm then going to just keep my chicken breasts on the board, and I'm going to season them. We're going to get out 1 teaspoon of onion powder and just sprinkle on both of the sides of the chicken breast. Then we're going to get 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and do exactly the same thing, covering both sides of the breast. Then 1 teaspoon of oregano that is just so delicious and adds so much flavor. We do the same thing and then add salt and black pepper, a pinch of it on top of the chicken breast, and this time you don't need to actually flip them, one side is enough. So the next thing I'm going to do is get my lemon, wash it well to get rid of the wax, and then we're going to just use our grater and grate the lemon zest. We want to have around 1 teaspoon of lemon zest in total. Use the smaller eyes to achieve the results. We're going to sprinkle this lemon zest all over the chicken breast nicely. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be there. So now I'm going to get a skillet and I'm going to heat it over medium-high heat, just like that. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. You can either use canola, avocado, or any other high smoke point oil, that being the keyword here, the high smoke point. And I'm going to heat this oil up. Once it's ready, we're going to add in our chicken breasts. We're gonna want to sear our chicken breasts for 5 minutes on each side until they're cooked. If, let's say, your chicken starts burning, you just want to lower the heat a little bit and maybe move it around, because there's more heat in the center of the skillet and less heat on the sides. So after 5 minutes, we just flip those chicken breasts and let them cook through completely. I'm going to take away the smaller pieces first because they're cooked through and we don't want them to dry out. We want our chicken breast to be cooked but juicy. And then we're going to remove the rest of the chicken breasts. So once we remove the chicken breast from the skillet, we want to let them rest on a plate for 5 minutes or so before we serve it. So don't serve it immediately, super hot. And once that's done, I'm going to place my chicken breasts on a little plate, add a slice of butter on top for that little bit of, taste. And you can use olive oil as well if you prefer that. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of a lemon, just 1 slice, and serve it all with salad, of course, and squeeze the lemon all over your chicken for better taste, and enjoy it for dinner with the family. It's a very healthy recipe, it's delicious, it's very high in protein, it's so nutritious, it's yummy, and it's so easy to make. For more recipes like this, please subscribe and like. Go to allnutritious.com for full recipes and ingredients. Have a lovely day and take care. Thank you.